This is my Craftsman toolbox. It was painted baby blue by the last owner. It rolls around pretty good. It's got nice big casters. They also made this tray. I'll slide these in. Has a working lock. You zoom into that tray, and everything works. I'll zoom in and show you the insides of the drawers. They were lined, but it was with old cardboard, so we tore that out and cleaned them up the best we could. Degreased it. It was pretty nasty. But obviously this comes off, and this comes off as well. There's a little dent right here, several dents, several minor dents. Top does not lock, but the bottom does. So I'm going to take that back. Okay, the top does lock. And you have to decide if you want to lock the bottom or the top. I had problems with these bottom drawers, because when you pull them out all the way, these guys hang up. The side bolts. Here's the insides. And over here, I have these guys. See, this comes out. But sometimes over here, these guys don't have, these hang up, so I have to take it out manually and put them back together. See, this one's doing it. The bottom one. This one opens. For your tires, your spare stuff. That's your Craftsman toolbox.